as airmen, one of the things that we tend to do is we get affixed by our prefixes. We get affixed by our prefixes. And so, what do we do with airplanes that start with B? We drop bombs. What do we do with airplanes that start with C? We carry cargo. What do we do with airplanes that start with an F? Right? And so we put these prefixes and we label our airplanes, and we allow that to constrain our thinking for what we can do with that airplane. But in fact, they're all just airplanes, right? I mean, some of them are manned, some are unmanned, some fly high, some fly low, some fly fast, some fly slow, some are visible, some are invisible, some carry a lot, some don't carry very much. I mean, they've all got different attributes, but they're just airplanes, right? And so if you can take a C-130 and enable that to be a delivery platform for a dozen long-range standoff precision munitions, this is the same payload that B-52 has. Out of a 3,000-foot dirt strip, you can have a long-range fires platform that carries the same payload as a B-52. A C-17, which doesn't require much more than 3,000 feet of dirt strip, can carry 36 palletized long-range munitions. And so this capability allows us to use what we already have in non-traditional ways to create volume of fire challenges for our adversaries. It also creates targeting problems too, right? I mean, it's not hard to figure out where all the 10,000 feet concrete runways in the Pacific are. But when you're trying to figure out where the 3,000 feet straight stretches of road and grass strips are and that kind of stuff, that's a different targeting problem for your adversaries. And so